Understanding the phrase, nearby. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are going to dive deep into the meaning and usage of the phrase, nearby. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. Nearby is an adverb or adjective that describes something that is located a short distance away from a reference point. It can refer to physical locations or conceptual closeness. For example, if you're at a park and you're looking for the closest restroom, someone might say, "There's one nearby." When used as an adverb, nearby describes the location of an action. For instance, the children played nearby. I live nearby. In these examples, nearby gives information about where the action, playing, living, took place relative to a reference point. As an adjective, nearby describes a noun. It tells you the proximity of that noun to another location or object. For example, the nearby store is open until 9 p.m. There's a nearby park where we can have a picnic. Here, nearby modifies nouns, store, park, to convey their close proximity to a reference point. It's essential to know when to use nearby correctly. Remember, 1. Nearby does not require a preposition like to or by. For instance, it's incorrect to say nearby to the school. Instead, you should say nearby the school. 2. Nearby already implies proximity. Thus, saying very nearby is redundant, though it's sometimes used informally for emphasis. And that wraps up our discussion on nearby. I hope this has clarified how and when to use this handy phrase in your daily conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try to use nearby in your sentences today. Happy learning!